Hey my beautiful babies. I know you guys are probably wondering where I have been over these last few weeks, months maybe, I don't know. Just know I miss you guys so much. Like, I have not done videos in a really long time because I was just feeling so uninspired. I took like a whole social media break because social media was just making me depressed. It was just breaking me down. Like, I'm just like anybody else. Sometimes I do get depressed with social media, or sometimes I just get depressed period with things that are going on in my life. So I just have to take a step back and I just decided to tap more into me and who I am and what I want in life, and that's the reason why I took that break. But I feel so refreshed. You guys have no idea. I've been reading a lot of books. I've been meditating. I've just been putting myself in a happier space. There's no way that I can be on camera and be this happy person, like this fake happy person. You guys will be able to see it, and I'm not about being fake on my channel. I mean, you guys see who I am, so yeah, I feel a whole lot better. I just want to say that sometimes, if I can't say social media can depress everybody, but anytime you have anything in your life that you know is just depressing, I don't care if it's a person, I don't care if it's your job, I don't care if it's social media, whatever it is, take a step back from it. Like, just exit out of your life. I know it's hard sometimes just to let people go or things go, but you have to think about yourself. Like, we have this one life to live. Only way to truly be happy and find joy in this life is just take away what is depressing you and just look inside yourself. Like, know that you're beautiful, know that you're important, and that you have a purpose in this life, and just keep on moving forward. Yeah, I don't know if that made any sense, but that is pretty much how I've been feeling. I feel so much better now. I feel like I found my creativity. Like, I got it back, and it's just crazy because I didn't even know what I was gonna do. I just wanted to pick up my brushes and just go with the flow, and that's what I did, and this is what we got here. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed. I have a lot more videos that are coming up, trust me when I tell you that. This video, I didn't talk throughout the video. It was just a regular get ready with me, but of course I have a lot more talk through videos coming up, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I love you so much, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your looks. Tag me, tag me, tag me, tag me. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Later. And I got lip gloss on my teeth.